today with the third video. Yeah, I know that's a lot. That's a lot to keep up to. So this video, I just want to post it before I forget, before I go on and do other things. I posted my bias. Posted what I was expecting. I also posted, like I got my funded account, like my 5k funded account. So today I placed the first trade that was in the London session. I wasn't seeing really, some kind of nice movement on the forex markets because GBP was doing the opposite when it was, retracing to this fair value gap, pushing higher. The euro, the euro was trading even lower. So I didn't see, like really like clean price action or on this, on this pairs. So what I end up doing, you can see, I entered some buys on the SP 500 this London session. My target, my target was this. Let me open the 15-minute time frame. Yes. So this was my target. Like, if you know ICT, like this was the new week opening gap, So I took my Fibonacci, I put my Fibonacci, and 50% of that's this, and then the quarter, that's this, and that's that one. You see, so this is what I did. So this is the 50% of that gap, new week opening gap, and this is the first quarter of that new week opening gap. Since it's Monday, I didn't really want to target, more. I didn't really want, to do more about anything. I just wanted to, go small, low key. So what I ended up doing is I opened my charts. I saw SMT divergence. You see, when the SP 500 took out this low, the Nasdaq didn't take out this low, and this was also another SMT divergence I see, which means the market really wants to trade higher. So what I ended up doing is I opened, like before I opened like my 5-minute chart, I saw this fair value gap. I marked it as a shift in market structure, but this is not the London kill zone, so I just saw it and let it go. So let me put like the 3 2 12. So this was the London kill zone time. If you know ICT, the London kill zone is from 2 to 5. That's where you can place like the most profitable trades. That's where there's more volatility. So I went to the 50-minute time frame. Just after 2, I went to the 50-minute time frame. I saw this fair value gap. Since that was my first trade, I knew I wanted the market to go here, but because it was like doing something like this, like retracing so many times, I only placed like on a low size of 0.1. Then I ended up like seeing some moves on the Nasdaq, so I trusted the market, so I opened another 0.1. Then when it retraced to this fair value gap, I I pyramided, pyramid entry. I added another entry like for 0.5, and then place my target to here and do my final tip here to this part. Now, just the first quarter level. I don't want to strain the markets. This was my first trade, so I didn't really want to put much into it. I just wanted to get the feel of the market, just to get the feel of the market and to see like which lot size I'm going to be using. It turns out like I'm going to be using maybe 0.1, because like the first I used 0.01, second one I used 0.01, then third 0.05. Still, the stop loss was below $5. So usually, like if you saw my previous trading video, I mentioned like I'm going to be risking like 0.25%. So in this trade that I took, I risked maybe 0.0, like the half of 0.25. I don't know the math. I don't want to bother you, but half of 0.25. So I even risked less than a quarter, and I got back something around 0.33%. I'll show you my dashboard. Like this was my first trade. I'm not looking to make another entry today because I don't really want to screw it up. But this was my target. This was just like 1:3. This was just 1:3, but I ended up like exiting somewhere around here. I'll show you also the screenshot and the recorded trading video when I was recording the market move, and you just see like there's a very very small lot size just to to get the feel of the market. Yeah, but basically that's it. This is going to be a short video. I just wanted to mention it. Like that's my first trade. I placed my first trade. It's a winner. Hopefully that's a good sign. Not going somewhere, but still the market is still going higher. So for those who are watching this video, pre-market, you can actually trust that the market will keep going higher, because the range is just too big. The market will keep going higher. The market will keep going higher. It might even close this today, or not even today. But for me, I'm done for today. If I make another trades or do another trades, I'll definitely post another video, and I'll also share on my Telegram channel. So like and subscribe. Yeah, that's all.